Hold on tight, kids. Our big adventure is starting.
La 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 la.
Oh no. What do we do now?
You'll pay for what you've done, you evil Skibidi toilet. We need help to defeat the Skibidi toilet.
What? Skibidi toilet! We're coming right away. Be very careful. All units, move out!
Dish time!
If I jumped into the bubbles, would Mom get mad? What do you think?
Oh my baby. Not again. What are you doing? Get out of there right now. You're all covered in colors. Come on, let's get you cleaned up. Sit here nicely. No mischief. I'll be right back to get your bath ready. Oh my God, what's going on here? You naughty child. The whole place is a mess. How am I going to get these stains out now? This can't be happening. Water is everywhere. The house is going to be underwater. I can't believe this. What do we do now? How do we even get out of here?
Oh no, the whole house is underwater. We have to save them. There's no time to waste.
I have to go this way and turn off the faucet.
Where is this water coming from? The bathroom faucet must have been left on. I have to go shut it off. It's probably not coming from that stupid faucet over there. There it is. Let's turn it off. All right, we did it.
No more mischief from now on. We can't keep moving houses like this. You need to get your act together.
Woohoo! Grapes! I love grapes so much! That lake looks amazing, but I'm really thirsty. I'm turning all green. And now my tummy hurts. What's happening?
What's going on over there? My sweet baby. Hold on, I'm coming. Stay strong, my little baby. We're going home, and everything will be okay. Come on, sweetie. You need to have a little bit of soup. Oh my gosh! What is that? Please let me go, please!
Hello. I think something weird is going on in the apartment across the street. We need help. No, I didn't choose this. I didn't want any of it.
Oh no! What am I supposed to do now? What if it happens again?
All right, team. Follow me and be careful. We've got a monster to deal with in there. Ma'am, please step back. That creature is dangerous. We need to take it in.
I said leave my mom alone.
I was so scared something would happen to you. My little monster.
Mommy, can I say something? I want ice cream! All the flavors, strawberry, banana, chocolate. Please, please, please! Bye-bye, friends. See you later.
के जादू से जैसे टोना लगल तू छू दिहलु माटी त सोना लगल रूप के जादू से जैसे टोना लगल तू छू दिहलु माटी त सोना लगल हम त देखी के तोहके जुड़ाए लगनी हम त देखी के तोहके जुड़ाए लगनी बस तू ही याद बाड़ू सब भुलाए लगनी बस तू ही याद बाड़ू सब भुलाए लगनी